All right, here is 2002 CR80R Expert, the big wheel. As you can see, super duper clean. The wheels are all in great shape. It's got very little wear, a lot of stock parts still. You can see the wheels are pretty much perfect. Motor's got a fresh, complete rebuild on it, bottom end, top end. This bike looks just about as good as it could for this year and runs even better. Got a Turbinecore 2 on it, being legal off-road, and larger IMS foot pegs on it. We'll start it up for you.